Shiksha Hyderabad, Chairman Dirks has covered millions of students and teachers across the globe, mostly traveling and reaching out to them. During the last 600 days during the COVID time, made daily interactions and posted over 1,000 videos on YouTube apart from many since last 10 years. It is a small effort to use the invitation from Hyunsu Cho, Seoul, Korea with a few teen students who are intended to make use of mentoring by Dirks for international interaction.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Hyunsu Cho from South Korea.
The proposed first interaction hosted from Seoul is in 2021 November the first week. A few students volunteered to be part of this program. They are from the USA, Saudi Arabia, UAE, apart from different states of India. Most of these students are constantly following and attending Dirks in his regular sessions. Many discussions including academic subjects are discussed triggered by a few of these students. A few also attended residential camps at Chennai, Naduval, Kannur, Kerala with Dirks. Many of these teens made a small video of self-introduction and describing their body to trigger some discussion across. It is expected from the participants here to have a good interaction with other participants from Korea, Taiwan, Philippines, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, Armenia, Indonesia, Slovakia, etc. Hope this is only a beginning and will have a good number of occasions to interact with many students across India and abroad too under this international mentorship with Dirks, and will collaborate with the World Social Craft Foundation under Shiksha, Hyderabad, India.
Under the mentorship of Dr. TPS for the international interaction, this video is made by Drupad Krishna from Round Rock, Texas, in 8th grade for the purpose of the international program. Hi, my name is Drupad. I go to Hopewell Middle School in Texas and I'm in 8th grade. My parents are both from Naduval and I'm the grandson of Keisho Mash and OK Mash. I think the international program is great because it allows me to talk to people that I wouldn't be able to talk to, and I can learn about other cultures and regions. One of my hobbies is playing the euphonium. It's a low brass instrument and I started playing 2 years ago. I like it because I can play a lot of different types of music. Here's one of the pieces that I'm learning right now.
Under the mentorship of Dr. TPS for international interaction, this video is made by Rishika Rajivan Marudi. I'm studying in private international English school Abu Dhabi. I'm in grade 8 and I'm 13 years old. As the motto of my guru is learn in full enjoyment, learning with active involvement and fun always has positive effect on the motivational levels. The world has become a global village and globalization can't be global without reaching out to locals in every part of the world. International interaction offers numerous personal, academic and even professional advantages. Certainly it won't always be sunshine and rainbows, but you grow as a result of obstacles and challenges that you face. Interacting with individuals from all over the world develops one's intercultural communication skill. The ability is highly valued and well worth the effort. International interaction shares history, culture, and tradition of the participants' home country. Being in Abu Dhabi, we have close interaction with people around the world. Learning positive aspects of any culture is the best of understanding others and understanding ourselves too. Integration of international and intercultural dimensions to our world always boosts our learning and motivation levels. To complete the circle, becoming self-sufficient is a task in and of itself. Thank you.
Under the mentorship of Dr. T for the international interaction, this short video is made to introduce myself. I am Vishnu Prasad, hailing from Thrissur, Kerala, the southern state of India. As my father is working in Saudi Arabia, I have done my schooling in International Indian School, Dammam. Currently, I am studying engineering in electrical and electronics in National Institute of Technology, Trichy. I feel myself very lucky since I got the opportunity of attending 3 residential camps of Dr. T.P. Shashikumar sir. This is what changed me from one of the worst students in my class to a passionate, self-confident and an intense learner. Now my dream is to do a master's in one of the most prestigious and renowned universities like MIT. I believe that international exposure not only gives us new experience but also broadens our vision. It gives us an opportunity to look at different ways of approaching the same problem. This helps us understand the thought process behind the solutions, which is what an engineer actually requires. With the right thought process, I too can contribute to the development of new technologies. It is the technologies that we develop today which shapes the future. It makes the world a better place to live in. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to participate in this interaction. Hi everyone, I am Vishnu Prasad, hailing from Kerala, the southern state of India. As my father is working in Saudi Arabia, I have done my schooling in International Indian School, Dammam. Currently, I am studying engineering in electrical and electronics in National Institute of Technology, Trichy. As a college student, I would like to share some information which I hope will be of use to everyone. Until my 8th standard, I was so lazy with no vision. My parents put me in a residential camp of my mentor, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. This has resulted in a drastic change in my attitudes. From an easygoing boy to an intense learner, learning new things has become a hobby and studies became a pleasure for me. It has also helped me to secure admission for my undergraduation in one of the best engineering colleges in India, National Institute of Technology, Trichy. I also would like to share with you all that I was a binge eater, especially junk food. From the residential camps of Dr. T.P. Shashikumar sir, I learned many good eating habits and chose healthy food. I've given up non-vegetarian food and now I am a total vegetarian. This has made me to become a fit and agile person. Before I used to play badminton just for fun, but due to my better physical fitness, I could perform well and even won a couple of local tournaments. My main hobby is reading, which helps me in knowing many things and keep updated with the developments. Thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to share my views.
Under the mentorship of Dr. TPS for International Interaction, this video is made. I am Hridya from Kerala in India. I am a 9th standard student in Kottakkal. After attending this class, I am sure that my communication skill will be increased and also I could interact with different people from various parts of the earth. On behalf of this plan, I am so interested to participate on this class. Thank you. Omanathingal Kidavo is one of the most popular Malayalam lullabies. It was written by Irayaman Thambi, who was an Indian Carnatic musician, music composer and a poet from Travancore Palace. He wrote this song on the birthday of Maharaja Swathi Tirunal. He used to sing this song for the king to make him sleep. Omanathingal Kidavo Nella Kumarathamara Poovo Poovil Neeranja Madhuvo മയിലോ മൃദു പഞ്ചമം പാടും കുയിലോ എന്നുണ്ണി കൃഷ്ണൻ ജനിച്ചോ പരിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വേഷം ധരിച്ചോ. പതാക, തൃപ്പതാക, അർദ്ധപതാക, കത്തരിമുഖ, മയൂര, അർദ്ധചന്ദ്ര, അരാള, ശുഗതുണ്ഡം, മുഷ്ടി, ശിഖരം, കപിത്വം, കടകാമുഖം, സൂചി, ചന്ദ്രകല, പത്മഘോഷ, സർപ്പശിരസ്, മൃഗശീർഷ, സിംഹമുഖ, ലാംകുലം, അളപത്മം, ചതുരം, ഭ്രമരം, ഹംസാസ്യം, ഹംസപക്ഷം, സംദംശം, മുകുളം, താമ്രചൂടം, ത്രിശൂലം.
Namaste. Under the mentorship of Dr. TPS for International Interaction, this video is made by Kanishk, staying in Hyderabad, India, studying in class 7 for interacting globally, so that I will make new friends. And in this pandemic situation, virtually. Mainly, I feel by interacting globally, I will get new ideas to create stories, and I will no longer be a frog in the well, but be a bird flying around the world. My hobbies are collecting empty bottles, making eco bricks, creating stories, and cycling. Mainly, I like to create stories. Like when I see a character in Transformers animated series, I'll imagine putting that particular character in a different background and create a new story. Collecting empty bottles, you might wonder why. We have learnt a well-known rhyme in our kindergarten. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, Pick them up, and throw where? This is what I do. Collect all the trash and fill the empty bottle. Now you might be wondering, what is an eco brick? An eco brick is made from unrecyclable plastic. It is created by filling a plastic bottle with clean dry plastic until it is packed tightly and can be used as a building block. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Under the mentorship of Dr. TPS for the international interaction, this video is made by me, Fadra Misma, from Kerala, studying in 10th grade, for taking the purpose why international exposure is important and how it will help us to grow.
Hi there, my name is Krishnendu, a student of grade 12, and my roots are from Kerala, a state on India's tropical Malabar coast, which is known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters. Kerala, which is also known as the Jewel of South India, the Spice Garden of India, and God's own country. Today, under the mentorship of Dr. T.P. Shashikumar for the international interaction, this video is made with the purpose of sharing my thoughts on the importance of international exposure and what role it plays in an individual's growth. International exposure is very much important and it plays a vital role in an individual's growth. It will bring more experience in terms of new skills, language, cultural intelligence, and exceptional learning experience. And with newfound connections, you will learn to be culturally inclusive, more receptive to diverse views of the natives from different geographies, which will be critical if you plan to pursue an international career. The exposure to the ethnicity to different cultures will give you more deeper insights, creating awareness about cultural preferences. You will have a better opportunity to develop your soft skills like communication, leadership, teamwork, decision making, and many more. And being to a new country can be a whole new experience that will enhance your spatial awareness. The international exposure can bring a new perspective that would trigger new passion and would give you a renewed outlook towards life. Your overseas experience can inspire such deep interest that can either shape or change your career perspective. Lastly, it is also an undeniable fact that this exposure will enable you to be more confident in yourself and to be independent. You'll get better at your communication skills and will have the ability to make decisions that are best for you. Thank you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
സ്ഥലത്ത് വിള നശിപ്പിക്കാൻ വരുന്ന പന്നികൾ തന്നെ തെയ്യമായി മാറിയ കാഴ്ചയുണ്ട്.
വിളികേട്ടുണരുന്നു കോലങ്ങൾ മാല കെട്ടി പൊന്നും ചാമുണ്ടിപ്പൂമാലക്കാവ്. ആയിരം ചെണ്ടയും പന്തവും പന്തലും ഞാനും ഞങ്ങളും കൂരെ കൂക്കിരിക്കുഞ്ഞുണരുമ്പോൾ മലയെത്തി പെണ്ണിന്റെ നിറകണ്ണു കണ്ട് അമ്മയെ കണ്ട് വലത്തോട്ടു നീന്തും പുഴയിൽ തിളച്ചു ചാമുണ്ടി. താളവീറ്റും ഓമരങ്ങളെ ഉടറിയല്ലോ നാലുറഞ്ഞു തീത്തുള്ളി.